Are you looking for best wireless car air compressor? In this video, we will look at the top 5 best wireless car air compressor. Number 1. EAFC Wireless Car Air Compressor. The electric car air compressor has a built-in high-tech motor, which can quickly inflate and deflate. It is very convenient to use when you are out of the car, wireless and portable. No need for cords or batteries. This air compressor is wireless and portable, making it easy to use anywhere. Electric tire inflator pump. This pump is specifically designed for inflating tires, making it easy and efficient, suitable for multiple vehicles, not just for car tires. This pump can also inflate motorcycle tires, bicycles, boats, and more. Orders. Reviews. Rating. Price. Price may be changed at any time. Number 2. Baseus Wireless Car Air Compressor. The best wireless car air pump portable air compressor for car, motorcycles, bicycle, electric tire inflator with LCD digital display. Orders. Reviews. Rating. Price. Price may be changed at any time. Number 3. NarzrIe Wireless Car Air Compressor. Type: car tire inflator. Function: for car tire, bicycle, RV, and other inflatables. Auto air compressor. Tire inflator 12V. Special feature: digital display screen. Item color: black. Feature: expected inflate time. Motorcycle/e-bike 60 seconds. Bike/ball 20 seconds. Compact car 300 seconds. Orders. Reviews. Rating. Price. Price may be changed at any time. Number 4. Bymaocar Mini Air Compressor. Portable electric tire inflator for car, bicycle, motorcycle. Mini air compressor injector. Orders. Reviews. Rating. Price. Price may be changed at any time. Number 5. Portable wireless tire inflatable pump. Powerful, multi-purpose, compatible with a variety of nozzles, suitable for a variety of items to inflate, like pro bike tires, home use car tires, motorcycle tires, electric bicycle tires, balls, swimming rings, inflatable toys, and other inflatables. Orders. Reviews. Rating. Price. Price may be changed at any time.